A place where I come usually. It's not a very big deal kind of a place. It's like a canal, so it's not that dirty. So don't. पहले ना यहाँ पे there used to be a walking track. You can see there's a gate here. There was walking track along this line. तो पानी की वजह से all the bricks and everything flew away. So अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए तो वहाँ पे पूरा कीचड़ ही कीचड़ है. And but I like this place usually, and it has rained yesterday, so this place is looking amazing. And most importantly ना यहाँ पे तो लोग नहीं आते. So I like that kind of places with गर्दी कमी असायला पाहिजे, you know. This place is not quite far off, but दूर है. That guy gave me a look. चलो चलो, let's go cycling. ये बास्केट में फ़ोन खड़ा नहीं रहता, तो मैं आपको सामने वाला व्यू नहीं दे सकती. लेट्स सी. चलो चलो चलो. It has rained today and you won't believe the weather is so freaking good. I mean, इतना सुंदर weather in Pune is like, oh my god. मतलब you don't know what मौसम is going on. Either it's winter, it's summer, it's rainy, but अभी जैसा है ना. And then there is a little cold breeze and there is sun. Like this is the epitome of a weather you can expect to live a happy life. I'm telling you. And in morning it was feeling like I was in London. Seriously, it was gloomy and cold breeze. It was typical London weather it was.
आज मी तुम्हाला तोतापुरी कैरीचे इन्स्टंट लोणचं करून दाखवणार आहे. एकाचं असे वगैरे असे छोटे छोटे तुकडे करून घ्यायचे इन्स्टंट लोणच्यासाठी. तुम्हाला हवे तसे तुकडे तुम्ही करू शकता, छोटे मोठे. मी इतका थोडा गुळ आणि थोडं साखर घालणार आहे तुमच्या आवडीनुसार. तुम्हाला गुळाचं करायचं तर गुळाचं करू शकता. तर मी साधारण 2 चमचे गुळ आणि 3 चमचे साखर घेतली होते. आता साधारण 1-2 चमचे तेल घ्यावं. जास्ती गरम झाल्यामुळे बंद करते. तर मी 1 चमचा जिरं, 1 चमचा मोहरी, हिंग, हळद, लाल तिखट आणि थोडंसं वरती पाहिजे जसं आपल्याला हवं तसं. आणि लगेच मग हे टाकून द्यायचं याच्यामध्ये. एक चमचा मीठ टाकते. चवीप्रमाणे मीठ टाकावं. थोडंसं पाणी, साधारण अर्धी पाऊण वाटी बस झालं. मग नंतर हे गुळ आणि साखर घेतली ती घालायची आणि मिक्स करून मंद गॅसवर 15 मिनटं ठेवायचं. तुमचं इन्स्टंट लोणचं तयार.
some of you asked me to show my drawings, and here they are. Like, I am not great at drawing, it's just like an hobby to me. So this is some doodling, and this is one thing I made. I like this one. So it's a time pass, लहान मुलांसारखं एकदम. Nothing great. I like mandala art more, so I make that kind of things, and I like to doodle a lot, so I do that. It's very basic and very random. This is my Toto. This is like the whole collection, you can say, small. I love this one. This is cute, right? And this one also. Yeah, this took me around 4 to 5 hours. This was heavy. I didn't like this one actually, but okay. I don't have much of watercolor, so yeah. This is because I miss traveling. This was a random thing that I did, and this you saw making me in the last vlog. And don't judge me on this, but I don't know what I wanted to do, so I ended up doing something else. That's it. I have some PVlog also. This one. This is very pretty. I made this in office, I think, last year. Then this. This is very little pretty. What else I have? This is just random. Everything is just very random. Yeah. अभी के लिए इतना ही है मेरे पास. Oh god, I'm telling you, camera is not doing the justice, but just look at that sun. Like, तो इतका full दिसतोय आणि इतका सुंदर दिसतोय. Like, I wish I could have started like 5 seconds before, but oh my god, this is the most beautiful sunset I've ever seen from my terrace. Like, ever. It's going down. Camera is not doing the justice. It's so freaking beautiful. Oh my god.